Shrinkage is real, but that's okay. Hi guys, welcome back to another natural hair tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how I do my hair wash routine. A lot of people has been asking me how I do my hair wash routine. So if you want to find out how I do all that, and yes, you can hear my baby in the background calling me. If you want to know how I do my natural hair wash routine, stay tuned. that's a quick and easy way of how I do my natural hair routine. By no means I am any hair guru or hair professional. I'm just sharing with you how I get my curls, how I wash my hair, and that's my routine. And this is how I do my hair every single time that I wash my hair, unless I decide to go with a bun tuna, which I'll show you guys how I achieve that look in another video. But if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share and comment, because you know I enjoy chatting up with you guys. And if it's your first time coming to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and catch up with all my other videos, my cooking videos, my vlogs, and all my other natural hair videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. The shrinkage is real, but that's okay. You'll understand if you have natural hair. Bye guys.